All right, let's take a look at these DURATECH wrenches. So color-coded bags. So blue for metric, gray for SAE. What's interesting here is these are very thin, first of all. So if we compare how thin these are to a normal wrench, they are way thinner. Really easy to get in compact spaces. But what else is interesting is they've got two sizes built into each one. So a bigger size, and then you can slip into the smaller size. So each one of these wrenches has 4 sizes on them. So between 3 wrenches here, you're going to have 12 total sizes. So a super small, compact setup. I mean, we can throw this anywhere. You can just put this in your pocket if you're getting into a situation where you don't know exactly what you're going to be dealing with, and be ready to rock. I'll find a couple things to put these on just to kind of show how this 2-sizer thing works. Okay, so here's an example. So we've got this heim joint here, 2 different size nuts on it. We don't really know what sizes we're dealing with. We're just going to guess a wrench here. A little bit small. So it slides right into the inner wrench. See that? So that's how we're getting 2 sizes at once. And then we can slide up. Oh, doesn't fit. No big deal. I've got other wrenches on the other side. So, I mean, how stinking convenient for getting into really small areas, like you would be with one of these little heim joints, like on the end of a tie rod or something, and to be able to just flip the wrench over. And I mean, you've got a shot at getting the right size with 4 different sizes on one wrench. So really, really, really happy with this little set of wrenches. This is something everybody should have.